CX-5 has been a great buy for a lot of families. This car, you get a lot for your money, man. This is the 2025 Mazda CX-5, and we're going to be spending the day with it. We'll be reviewing multiple components of the car, and at the end, we'll be deciding whether you should get this car or not. Here's what you need to know about the infotainment screen of the 2025 Mazda CX-5. This system, before we were able to connect the Apple CarPlay, bro, I don't know why it took us some time. It took us some time, man. I don't know why it was that difficult to connect. I don't know. My God, this is so crazy. You have to see. We're in sports mode, and I'm about to press it to speed limit to 70. I'm not breaking it. See? Ooh, it goes, it goes. It's not like the 2015 Mazda CX-5 that we have. This goes. You press it. I didn't even press it all the way down. That's like half pressure on the pedal, and it went really good. Ooh, and it was on sport, man. You can put it, change the gear and put it to manual and control it with the paddle shifters, but bro, that's too much work for me right now. I'm recording, I can't be pressing this. That man can do it, but I can't do it, man. I'm not there yet. I'm not there yet. I tested the suspension of the CX-5 while we had the car, and here's what I noticed. You go through bumps, it soaks up the bump perfectly. It goes dugum, dugum. You know what I mean? Everything is tuned in perfectly. The suspension is tuned perfectly. I love it. Starting with the front end of this 2025 Mazda CX-5, as you can see, it has the typical Mazda smile. This mesh grille that looks really nice. I don't know what this is. This is plastic, but I like the color. You know, the color. The headlights are fully LED. That's nice. Coming to the sides, we have this 19-inch alloy wheel that is coated in silver, colored in that matches the color of the car. This mirror folds when you lock the door and when you open it. I'm gonna lock it real quick. When you lock the door, it folds. When you open it, it folds out again. And this is the key. Not bad. I also like the side view. I'm not gonna lie, it's actually nice. Oh, we own a CX-5 ourselves, so hey, I'm going with bias. Coming to the backside, LED tail lights, a small spoiler here. And you know, this is just a Mazda looking backside. You know, the bumper, everything looks nice. I don't mind it. The Mazda CX-5, I've always been saying it, Mazda CX-5 is one of the best looking cars in this class. Alright, so I was driving the car and I noticed that the heated seats, they are so nice, so good. You put it like, it makes your tushy feel nice. The steering quality feels good, the leather feels good, the inside cabin, the wood, everything just complements everything, man. I tried showing you guys how responsive the steering wheel of the CX-5 is, and I failed woefully. It's like, I won't say it's nippy, but it's responsive. It's responsive, it gets the job done, it does what it's supposed to do. And the fuel is nice, the leather on it feels nice.
Is that what you need? Is that what you like?
Let me tell you guys about the interior of the 2025 Mazda CX-5. Coming here, we have this wood trim, it looks really nice. You know, controls, memory seat here, and we have this cubby that can actually fit this big water bottle right here. That's nice. We have your safety system here. Coming here, we have this cluster that both digital and analog. It looks really nice. You can change your drive mode and everything, and it changes color and whatnot, and you can change the information. And oh, it's not changing, but you get the gist. You get the drift. All right. So coming to the steering, we have the hands-free driving system and the cruise control system. We also have paddle shifters. Coming here, we have this nice touch screen that if it's not Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, it's not touch screen. You have to control from here. We have the camera control here. We have heated seats and ventilators. We also have heated steering. We have the wireless charging pad here. Your gear selector. We have two cup holders here that can fit this water bottle nicely here. And we also have this big ass storage. Right now, let's see what the back seat has to offer. Take a look at the back seat. You know, we have the wood trim here, some soft touch materials and whatnot. We have vents here, which is good. And here, we pull this down. This is where the magic happens. You know, we have heated seats here, and we have USB ports here. You know, to charge your phone and whatnot. Honestly, I have decent leg room. You know, this is my driving position. A bit backwards, honestly, but see, I have decent leg room and decent headroom. Not bad. Hey, let's check out the trunk. Taking a look at the trunk, we have this nice space. Let's do a big trunk test. Let's see if I can fit. Easy walk. Close it. Close it. Dun, 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 dun. See this? See this? I fit perfectly in here. You know, nice strong space. The seat can also go down. It goes down and you can pull the other side as well. So that's nice. That's handy.
Yeah, you know what?
Here's why I believe the CX-5 is one of the best in its class. I would say this one is like up there with the Model X that I reviewed. It's close. It's very close.
I hate the weed too hard.
You said an 8-minute voice, don't straight from the heart.
Oh, okay, that's actually good. That's actually good. It's actually really good. Enough of my opinion. Let's get the opinion of someone that knows nothing about cars, Miss Patricia. Patricia, what do you think of the car?
It's nice. It reminds me of a car, but it has more features that I like.
A lot more features. Yeah.
The memory seat.
Yeah.
My favorite is
It even seems like it's more spacious than our own. Yeah, it seems like they made the CX-5 from like 2015 to now. They made it more bigger. They made it bigger.
Sometimes it be like that. I wish it wouldn't be like.
Alright, so what we've all been waiting for. Should you get this 25 Mazda CX-5? Bro, honestly, with all the features, the way the car feels, the comfort level, bro, everything, how the car is tuned, like the car is tuned so perfectly. The steering wheel, the brake, the suspension, everything just complements one another. Should you get it? I'll say hell flipping yeah. If I'm supposed to grade this car, which is what I'm going to start doing, we're going to start the A/B grading. If I'm supposed to grade this car, I'll give this car A. There's some things it can work on, you know. The suspension is great, but it's cool, you know, use a little bit more, you know, more softness. But it's great. It's not something you have to complain about. It soaks off the bump perfectly. Steering wheel is nice. When you're turning, it's very responsive. You know, the car doesn't roll as much. It stays in between, and you actually enjoy it. Brake, nice. The whole overall interior of the car, nice. So I'm giving it an A. You should definitely check out the car. 2025 Mazda CX-5. Get it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.